Let us now create lead capture forms on your website. To do this, just click on Website Editor within the Realtor Toolkit. Select the Buttons option. And since we are creating a lead capture form, you want to select Create Lead Capture Form. Click on it, and you will be given a window where you can customize your own form on the website. So I could give a title for my form. I can say Yearly Agents Meeting. Or I could just say Annual Agents Meeting. Now I can name my page. I can just copy whatever I put in as the title. Now I am changing the text by simply highlighting it and typing over it. Put in your own text. If this is a registration form, I can just call it Registration Form. Now for my fields, I can go ahead and change them as well. And again, all I do is highlight them and type over them. I say first name for field number 1. For field number 2, I'm going to say last name, and so on and so forth. Now notice that the email address of the person registering is always required. If I click on Bind Input Fields to Contact down here, that just means that everyone who registers through this form will automatically be added to my CRM. So I just have to tell the system which fields to pull and where to transfer them into my CRM. So I click Bind Input Fields to Contact. I will tell the system that I changed field number 1 to first name, so I want it to go under the first name field within my CRM. Field number 2, I change it to last name, so I select last name. And again, contact email always required, so make sure that you have email selected from here and make sure that the text box is always checked. I click OK. And now I can edit my reply email to everyone who signs up through this form. I can put my own subject, again just highlight and type over it, type my own text within my email. The custom page, this will be the page that people are going to see once they hit send a request. This will be the web page that will be on the site. So you could say thank you for registering. Or you could put a phone number that they could call and things like that. It's up to you. You could also attach files to the email that you are going to send to these people. All you have to do is pull the file from a Custom Files Manager and select File from the drop-down menu over here. I click OK. I save my form. And now my form will become one of my buttons on my website. So I have to make sure I enable the button. Down below I can see Annual Agents Meeting, which is the form that we just created. I'll say Enable the Form, and now it will be displayed on my website. That's how you create a lead capture form on your site.